To have a smooth cloud adoption journey and set up scalable computing environments, it's crucial that your teams have an in-depth understanding of the best practices of data migration. The right training can do wonders for your organization. NetCom Learning upskilled the workforce of an American multinational company on AWS Big Data and Cloud Practitioner, helping them to migrate their big data to the cloud. We helped them to reduce their overall IT costs significantly. Let's explore the story. Our client is a leading American end-to-end IT services company that delivers innovative solutions to 6,000 private and public sector customers in 70 countries. It helps global companies deploy the enterprise technology stack to improve productivity and customer experiences. This company needed a comprehensive data migration solution, and they wanted to upskill their employees to leverage the best AWS practices and deliver powerful next-generation IT solutions for their customers. From reducing IT costs to accelerating innovation, the customer had various benefits to start its cloud migration journey. To support our client, we wanted to make sure that their employees had the necessary cloud expertise and skills. As an official AWS APN training partner, NetCom Learning delivered AWS Big Data and AWS Cloud Practitioner training sessions to upskill their employees. The learners were granted access to innovative AWS tools and services. Our dedicated AWS certified instructors were available at every step to make the entire experience easy. NetCom Learning's training solution helped achieve successful cloud migration, and we implemented a robust IT infrastructure within the company. Auto-scaling cloud infrastructure improved the overall efficiency and greatly reduced the company's IT costs. Our clients' employees gained the right skills and were able to launch crucial solutions for their customers. The company updated its end-to-end reinsurance management platform with a wide range of out-of-the-box integration capabilities. This platform now saves time, reduces costs through automation, and has been deployed by more than 100 insurance companies globally. They developed a corporate incident response application to enable the world's largest organizations to identify, manage, and reduce critical non-IT corporate risks. The client also launched an integrated patient-centered care solution that offers next-generation custom-built care facilities to meet patients' high expectations. NetCom Learning is a process-oriented and service-driven organization. Following our mission and vision, we strive to provide the best service experience to our clients. Our client had a unique requirement. They requested the AWS training to be delivered only in Spanish, the learner's native language. Meeting this need became our greatest concern. NetCom Learning identified a certified Spanish trainer and, for the very first time, delivered AWS training sessions in the Spanish language. The client highly appreciated NetCom Learning's proactive approach in delivering AWS training in the Spanish language. We want our clients to have their ideal training solution, combat their business challenges, and meet organizational goals effectively. We don't just do AWS. We are official learning partners with vendors like Microsoft, AWS, CompTIA, Cisco, PMI, Autodesk, and more. Let us know your business challenge, and we will give you the best training solution. Be a lifelong learner. Please like and subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more information.